Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Colorado. This vehicle is featured in deep red metallic paint with alloy rims. We have our rear privacy tint, four-wheel drive, and Duramax diesel engine. On the interior we have heated leather seats, heated steering wheel, and power adjustable seats with lumbar support. Now moving on to the interior of the Colorado. On our door panel we have our chrome door handle, as well as our window controls and mirror controls. Under that we have our speaker and storage. Inside of the seat we have our power seat controls and lumbar support. Left of the steering wheel we have our lighting controls, four-wheel drive controls, and trailer brake. And then our gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, Bose speaker tweeter up above. And then we have our infotainment screen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Under that we have our climate controls, radio controls, vehicle controls, and heated seat option. Some storage, gear selection stalk, two cup holders, and then our wireless charging pad. Padded leather center console lid. And front seats are featured in black leather with our gray stitching. We have our OnStar controls in the rearview mirror, and above that we have reading lights and a sunglass holder. Now moving on to the exterior, we can see our alloy rims in gunmetal gray with black Chevrolet badge center caps. We have our Duramax diesel badging, as well as Colorado badging in chrome, black mirror caps and door handles, rear privacy tint. Then around to the back we can see we have our Z71 badging, our bumper steps on a paint match bumper, and our rear tent. And now on to the rear interior, we can see we also have our chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders. And back of the center console area we have our rear charging outlets and storage. Then our back seats are a 60-40 split with our rear center fold window and fold down center seat with two cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Colorado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.